Hey guys, it's me, Vienna, your insurance exam teacher. So I help people pass their life and health insurance exam. I've been doing that for about 2 years now, and I've helped over 100 plus people pass their insurance exams and start new and awesome careers as insurance agents. So I do answer questions. So if you have questions about the test, about the business in general, anything having to do with insurance, please leave them in the comments. So here I have the last bit of the question, because you know TikTok tells us how much we can write and how much we can't. So basically she asked me here if the information on the Illinois state exam is similar to the information on the practice questions that I go through on my page. So if you want to go through some practice questions, feel free to scroll through my page and find those on here. So questions, it's kind of a weird, kind of two-sided type of question. So first of all, content is going to be the same. For example, a decreasing term insurance policy is a decreasing term insurance policy in Texas, California, Florida, New York. It works the same. Content is the same. The way that they structure questions changes. Not necessarily from state to state. However, it's updated every 4 months. So every 4 months, they may ask a question in one specific way. And a few months later, they're going to word the same question a little bit differently, changing the answer just a little bit to kind of trip us up and make us do that. Now, they do that from question to question in the test. That's how they basically make their money. They try to trick us. They try to get us to fail here and there, right, to make it worth it. Because again, guys, that's how they're making their money too. So it's a business, right? It's up to us to know our testing strategies, our study strategies, so we can go in there and pass that test. So for those of you studying, I really want you to figure out what type of a learner are you, and then figure out what testing and what study strategies are going to help you remember that information when you're in the test. So as far as the information, content is similar, is pretty much the same across the board from state to state because, again, an insurance policy is an insurance policy all over the place, right? Doesn't really change. State-specific laws, that information will be very different from state to state. Question structure, that changes often, and that is what I offer help with. So if you are interested on one-on-one tutoring to help you pass your test, schedule it with the link in my bio or DM me, ask me questions, let me know, and also let me know how you do on this test, and good luck.